All right, let's jump into another deep dive. And today, we're tackling a question I'm sure is on a lot of people's minds, especially if you're an online entrepreneur.
Yeah.
Can affiliate marketing websites still, really thrive when you've got AI powering all the search engines?
Right.
We've got some pretty fascinating insights to share today because we actually went out
Oh.
and talked to not one, not two, but 4 different AI experts.
Wow. Okay.
They've got ChatGPT, we talked to Mistral AI,
Okay.
Claude AI, and of course Google AI.
Gotcha.
So we're going to dive in and see what they all had to say about
Yeah.
the future of affiliate marketing, in this crazy landscape that seems to be changing every single day.
Yeah, it is.
So what's interesting is all 4 AIs kind of agreed on this one big point.
What's that?
That old SEO playbook.
Yeah.
That's becoming obsolete.
Really?
Yeah, just stuffing your content with keywords, it's not going to cut it anymore.
So you're saying that's not enough to rank well these days?
No, it's just not, because AI is getting so much better at understanding context and intent.
Oh,
And that's something that the AIs are really, really good at.
Yeah.
So you've got to kind of think beyond that now.
Yeah, ChatGPT was actually highlighting this new thing calling zero-click searches.
Oh, yeah?
Where, the AI will just answer your question right there in the search results, so you might not even need to click on a website.
So they might bypass an affiliate website altogether.
Exactly.
Wow. Okay, so how are affiliate marketers supposed to adapt to that?
Well, all the AIs were kind of surprisingly unanimous on this.
Oh, well, really?
Yeah, they said high-quality, expert-level content that's more important than ever.
So basically, we need to be creating the kind of content that even an AI would look at and say, wow, that's valuable,
Exactly.
like an authority.
Yeah. Claude AI specifically emphasized EEAT.
EET.
Yeah, it stands for experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness.
Oh, okay.
And that's like a key ranking factor now.
Gotcha.
So it's about establishing yourself as like a trusted resource
Okay.
that users and AIs will see as reliable.
So it's not just about users anymore.
Yep.
It's about the AI trusting your site as well.
Exactly.
Okay, so practical ways to actually do this, create this AI-worthy content.
Well, ChatGPT suggests focusing on what they call micro-niches.
Oh, you should.
So instead of like a broad topic like drones,
Yeah.
you might specialize in something super specific like best drones for low light filming.
So you're going really, really niche.
Yeah, exactly. And by going that deep, you can offer that level of expertise that general AIs just can't match.
So you're becoming that go-to expert.
Right.
But what about the bigger picture? Because all 4 AIs also talked about this idea of diversifying traffic sources.
Yeah, that's huge. Relying only on SEO is getting riskier and riskier.
So what are we supposed to do then?
Think about building an email list, using social media, Instagram, TikTok, even paid advertising.
So it sounds like affiliate marketers almost need to become like multi-platform media companies.
In a way, yeah, you've got to be where your audience is and offer value across those different channels.
So catchy visuals for Instagram, email newsletters, maybe even short videos for TikTok.
Exactly.
Okay, so we're starting to get a picture here of what successful affiliate marketing might look like in the future.
Yeah.
Anything else that stood out? Any other strategies?
Oh, yeah. ChatGPT had a cool one, incorporating interactive elements on your website
Ooh, interactive.
of like calculators, comparison tools, quizzes.
Okay.
That kind of stuff can offer that engagement that AIs just can't match.
So it's about making your website more of a destination,
Right.
not just somewhere to go get information.
Exactly.
Okay, so it sounds like there's a lot of work ahead for affiliate marketers,
Definitely.
but it doesn't sound all doom and gloom.
No. Mistral AI actually pointed out that this shift towards quality and diversification,
Yeah.
it's a huge opportunity.
Yeah.
Affiliate marketers who are willing to adapt, embrace these changes, they can actually become even stronger.
So it's about establishing yourself even more.
Yeah, as that true authority in your niche.
Yeah. So it's about evolving, going from that keyword-focused approach to a more a holistic strategy
Right.
that really prioritizes user experience, expertise, and, multi-platform engagement.
Yeah, it's about giving real value to your audience.
Okay.
In a way that feels authentic and engaging.
And AI-worthy.
And AI-worthy.
Yeah.
But what's even more fascinating is this idea that AI could actually become your partner in affiliate marketing.
Partner.
Yeah, ChatGPT was hinting at this potential for affiliate programs to directly integrate with AI.
Oh, wow. Through APIs.
Yeah, exactly.
So instead of competing with AI, we could be working with it.
Potentially, yeah.
Okay, so how would that even work?
Well, imagine an AI assistant recommending products from your site.
Wow.
because it recognizes your expertise and trustworthiness.
That's huge.
Right. That's a really powerful possibility.
That's a total game changer.
Yeah,
This is all very, very interesting.
it is.
But I feel like we've just, kind of scratched the surface here.
But yeah, we've only just begun.
What else do these AIs have to say about the future of affiliate marketing?
Well, that's what we're going to be diving into in the next part of our deep dive.
Okay, cool.
So stick around and we'll explore all that.
All right, sounds good.
Yeah.
So we've heard from those AI experts, and they basically said that affiliate marketing is not dead,
Right.
but it's definitely, changing, evolving.
For sure.
But how do we actually put all of these AI-driven strategies into action?
Well, I think it starts with understanding that AI is basically raising the bar
Okay,
for content quality,
gotcha.
like churning out generic keyword-stuffed articles.
Yeah.
Those days are over.
Okay, so what does AI-worthy content actually look like?
Well, I think about what makes like a human expert so valuable.
Yeah.
They have deep knowledge, unique insights.
Right.
They can connect with their audience on a
Right.
personal level,
Yeah.
and that's what we need to bring to our content.
So we almost need to become more like those experts ourselves.
Exactly. And one way to do that is by focusing on original research and data.
Okay.
So instead of just regurgitating information that's already out there,
Right.
conduct your own surveys, analyze industry trends, compile case studies.
So we need to become the source that even the AI would cite.
Exactly.
I love that, but that sounds really time-consuming.
It can be.
How do busy affiliate marketers, find the time to do that kind of in-depth research?
Well, that's where AI can actually help.
Oh.
Tools like ChatGPT can assist with data analysis,
Okay.
summarizing research papers,
Right.
even generating outlines for your content.
So it's about using AI to kind of augment our own expertise,
Exactly.
not replace it.
Right. Working smarter, not harder.
I like that. What about finding those micro niches that ChatGPT was talking about?
Yeah.
How do we uncover those hidden opportunities?
AI can actually be really valuable for niche discovery.
Really?
Think about using keyword research tools
Yeah.
to identify those long-tail keywords that have low competition but high search volume.
Oh, go.
You can also use AI to analyze competitor websites,
Got it.
identify gaps in their content,
Gotcha.
or product offerings.
So instead of being afraid of AI,
Yeah,
we can use it to kind of gain these insights into the market.
exactly. See AI as a partner in the research process.
Okay.
It helps you identify those areas where you can truly stand out
Right.
and offer that unique value.
But finding the right niche is just the first step, right?
Oh, for sure.
Then we've got to create content that actually resonates with those people.
Right.
And we talked about, high quality, expert level content.
Yeah.
But how do we make that content engaging,
Yeah.
memorable in a world where people are just bombarded with information all the time?
That's where storytelling comes in.
Okay.
AI can help us gather information,
Right.
organize our thoughts, but it's still up to us to craft that compelling narrative
Okay.
that draws the reader in.
So it's adding that human touch that AI can't quite replicate.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to infuse your personality
Oh.
into your writing. Share personal anecdotes.
Yeah.
Connect with your audience on an emotional level.
Okay, so we've got the content covered.
Right.
Let's talk about social media.
Okay.
How do affiliate marketers actually stand out in this crazy social media landscape?
It's about understanding that social media isn't just about sharing links to your website.
Okay.
It's about building a community,
Right.
engaging with your audience.
So what are some effective ways to do that?
Create content that provides value
Okay.
beyond just promoting your products.
Gotcha.
Share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your business.
Okay.
Run contests and giveaways. Host Q&A sessions. Collaborate with other influencers.
So it's all about building those relationships,
Right.
establishing trust.
Exactly. Social media is a powerful tool for human connection.
Yeah.
That's something that AI can't replicate.
Right. So showcasing your personality, your expertise,
Yeah.
your passion.
Exactly.
Okay, now what about email marketing?
Okay.
I feel like that's almost a bit old school these days.
I know, right?
In the age of all this, like social media and AI and everything.
But it's actually more valuable than ever.
Really?
Yeah, because it allows you to build that direct relationship
Oh,
with your audience,
okay.
communicate with them in a more personalized way.
I see. So how do we build an email list that's actually engaged and responsive?
Well, it starts with offering something valuable
Right.
in exchange for their email address.
Like what?
Like a free ebook, a checklist, a discount code,
Okay,
access to exclusive content.
gotcha.
The key is to provide something that your audience really wants,
Right.
that aligns with your brand.
So it's about giving before we ask.
Exactly. Build trust, demonstrate your expertise,
Hmm.
and sales will follow.
And once you have that email list, what do we do?
Treat it like gold, send regular newsletters
Okay.
with valuable content,
Right.
personalized recommendations,
Oh.
exclusive offers.
So email marketing is more about nurturing those relationships
Yes, that.
than just blasting out like promotional messages.
It's about providing value,
Yeah.
building trust,
Okay.
staying top of mind.
Gotcha. But what about paid advertising?
Okay.
How does that fit into all of this?
It can be a viable strategy,
Okay.
but it requires a more strategic approach.
Like what?
Instead of just bidding on generic keywords.
Right.
Think about using AI-powered tools to identify your target audience and then personalize your ad messaging.
So using AI to make our advertising more effective and efficient.
Exactly. You can use AI to analyze demographic data,
Oh.
interests, online behavior,
Wow.
to create these hyper-targeted ad campaigns.
That's amazing. It's like having a personal marketing assistant.
Right.
But with all this talk about AI, are we losing that human connection?
It's a valid concern,
Yeah.
but I think it's about finding the right balance.
Okay.
AI is a tool.
Right.
It's up to us to use it in a way that enhances what we do.
Not replace us.
Exactly.
So using it to amplify our strengths,
Right.
not
Yeah.
eliminate the human element,
AI can help us with research, data analysis,
content creation.
even content creation, but it can't replicate the human touch.
Yeah.
It can't tell our stories, connect with our audience on that level.
Build those relationships.
Exactly.
Okay, this has been a really insightful conversation.
It has.
We've covered a lot. Content creation, social media, email marketing.
We have.
But we're not done yet. In the final part of our deep dive,
Yeah.
we're going to explore those possibilities that ChatGPT hinted at,
Right.
how AI might actually become an affiliate partner in the future.
Stick around for that.
All right, we'll be right back. So we've talked about how affiliate marketers can adapt, right? In this age of AI.
Right.
But now I want to talk about something even more interesting that ChatGPT hinted at.
Okay.
This idea that AI could actually become our partner in affiliate marketing.
Yeah, this is where things get really interesting.
I'm fascinated by this. So what would that even look like, this collaboration?
So right now we're thinking of AI as competition.
Right.
But what if it could be a collaborator?
Yeah.
Imagine affiliate programs are integrated directly with AI assistants
Okay.
through APIs, right? So someone's asking their AI assistant,
Yeah.
give me the best noise-canceling headphones for travel.
Right.
And the AI pulls information from your site
Okay.
because it recognizes you as the expert in that need.
So it sees you as the trusted source.
Exactly. And then it recommends products from your site
Wow.
based on, your expertise and the user's preferences.
So instead of competing with AI for traffic,
Mm-hmm.
we could actually leverage their reach
Yeah.
and their recommendation power to drive even more targeted traffic to our site.
Right. Like AI could become this powerful ally helping us connect with a wider audience.
Okay.
And personalize those recommendations in a way that we just can't do on our own
Right.
with traditional methods.
It would be like having a million little robots out there
Right.
spreading the word about your site.
There's another side to this partnership, though.
Okay, what's that?
Think about the data that AI can collect.
Yeah.
Like it can track user behavior,
Right.
preferences, purchase history
On a massive scale.
on a massive scale. Imagine if we could access that data.
Okay, ethically, of course.
Ethically, of course.
But what would we even do with that kind of data?
It would totally revolutionize how we understand our audience.
Okay.
We could create hyper-personalized content
Wow.
and offers identify emerging trends
Before they even happen.
before they even happen, optimize our strategies with like crazy precision.
You feel like having a crystal ball
Yeah,
that
exactly.
shows us exactly what our audience wants.
Exactly.
So AI could take affiliate marketing to a whole new level.
It could, but like any powerful technology, there are considerations.
I was just thinking that. What are some of the challenges?
One key challenge is making sure those AI recommendations are transparent
Okay.
and unbiased. Users need to know these products are part of an affiliate program.
Yeah.
The AI isn't just promoting the highest paying offers.
So transparency and trust are more important than ever.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. We need to be upfront about how we're using AI
Okay.
and make sure users feel confident in those recommendations.
Gotcha. What else?
Data privacy.
Of course. Yeah.
We need to make sure that data is handled responsibly.
With all the AI collecting all this data.
Exactly. So we need explicit consent for data collection,
Right.
transparency about how that data is being used,
Okay.
and then just robust security measures.
So we need to have some serious conversations about the ethical implications of all of this.
Yes.
Because there's always the risk of misuse.
Right, of course. And it's up to us to make sure this benefits everyone.
Not just the businesses, but the consumers as well.
Exactly.
So as we enter this new era of AI-driven affiliate marketing,
Yeah.
what's the key takeaway? What do you want to leave people with?
Don't be afraid to embrace AI, but do it thoughtfully and ethically.
Okay.
Use AI as a tool
Right.
to enhance your expertise, personalize your offerings, connect with your audience.
Oh, yeah.
But always remember that human touch is what sets you apart.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, people are still buying from people.
Exactly.
That's a great note to end on.
It is.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive
Of course.
into the future of affiliate marketing in the age of AI.
Yeah.
We hope this has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to explore all these possibilities.
Absolutely.
Until next time.